In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take an AWS RDS backup. We'll go through each step carefully to ensure you have a thorough understanding of the process. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to get online. Open up your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever you prefer. Once your browser is open, head to the search bar and type in AWS to bring up the Amazon Web Services homepage. Click on the link to open it. Once you're on the AWS homepage, you'll want to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it. When signing in, you'll be asked to specify whether you're a root user or an IAM user. Make sure to select the appropriate option for your account. Enter your credentials, and then log in to your AWS account. Now that you're logged in, your next step is to navigate to the Amazon RDS console. This is where we'll manage our database instances. You can find this by looking through the services list or by simply typing RDS into the search bar at the top of the page and selecting it from the results. Once you're in the RDS console, take a look at the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Databases. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all your database instances. Locate the specific database instance for which you want to enable automated backups. Once you've found it, select it and click on the Modify option. Moving on to the next step, scroll down to the Backup section. Here, you'll want to set a positive, non-zero value for the backup retention period. This value determines how many days your automated backups will be retained. If you're unsure about which value to choose, think about how far back you might need to go to restore data in case of an issue. Usually, a week or more is a good starting point. With your backup retention period set, it's time to wrap things up. Click on Continue at the bottom of the page. You'll now be presented with a choice. Apply the changes immediately or schedule them for the next maintenance window. Choosing Apply Immediately updates your settings right away, which is convenient if you need those backups enabled as soon as possible. Whichever option you choose, make sure to confirm your changes by clicking on the Final Approval button. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to ensure your AWS RDS database is backed up automatically. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.